Hi traders, welcome to episode 258 of the Trading Talk series. I'm here with one of our clients, Alison, who'll be taking us through today's episode. A little bit of background that Alison has been a second place finisher in our trading championship, has also attended our conferences as well as our in-house sessions. So I'll let Alison tell us a little bit about herself and today's episode.
Thanks. Yeah, I've been to all of the conferences, in fact, all 5. Yeah.
Yes.
So they've been really useful in seeing just what you can do with automated trading, and quite a few workshops as well, which help you sort of get down and build a model and sort of get it nearly finished on the day. I couldn't have done it without all the support from the TradeView support people. It's I'm a musician by profession, so I don't have the computing skills or financial area background. So I do need a lot of support, and I make heaps of mistakes. So anyway, so today's episode is about using a candlestick pattern, Morningstar, to find perhaps the bottom of the market and a reversal and trade it back up. And that's about it. Okay.
Fantastic. So, look, all the best with this episode of Trading Talk. If you do have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us and let's jump into it.